This homemade banana cake with chocolate frosting is my current favorite recipe. The cake is super moist and the frosting is rich and fluffy. You're going to need 3 ripe bananas. They should be super ripe, lots of freckles, and they shouldn't hold its shape. When you open them, they should fall apart. Add some granulated sugar, some brown sugar. Make sure your brown sugar is nice and soft. If it's hard, it's not fresh. Some vanilla extract, melted butter, eggs, the flour mixture, which includes some cinnamon, buttermilk. Don't overmix. Pour it into a 9 by 13 buttered baking dish, smooth out the top, and then you want to bake it for 1 hour at 275 degrees. For the chocolate frosting, you're going to need some unsalted softened butter, cocoa powder, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and whole milk. If it's too thick, add more milk. The milk will loosen it up. It should be nice and fluffy. If you want it extra fluffy, mix on high speed for an additional minute, add more milk. Frost the banana cake once it's cooled completely and enjoy.